Book of Heaven, Volume 12, January 1st, 1920. In each act that the soul does in the divine will, Jesus remains multiplied as in the Sacramental Hosts. Continuing in my usual state, my always lovable Jesus seemed to come out from within my interior, and in looking at him, I saw him all wet with tears. Even his garments, his most holy hands, were pearled with tears. What torment! I remained shaken, and Jesus told me,
"My daughter, what ruin will the world fall into? The scourges will flow as more painful than before, so much so that I do nothing but cry over its sad lot."
Then he added,
"My daughter, my will is wheel, and one who enters into it remains encircled inside, to the point of not being able to find an opening to go out. And everything she does remains fixed on the eternal point, and pours into the wheel of eternity. But do you know what the garments are of the soul who lives in my will? They are not of gold, but of most pure light, and this garment of light will serve her as mirror to make all of heaven see how many acts she has done in my will. In fact, in each act she has done in my will, she enclosed the whole of me, and this garment will be adorned with many mirrors, and in each mirror the whole of me will appear. So from whatever side she will be looked at, from behind, from the front, to the right, to the left, they will see me, and multiplied for as many acts as she has done in my volition. A more beautiful garment I could not give her. It will be the distinction of only the souls who live in my will."
I remained a little confused in hearing this, and he added,
"How is it? You doubt? Does the same not happen in the Sacramental Hosts? If there are 1,000 hosts, there are 1,000 Jesuses, and I communicate myself entirely to 1,000. And if there are 100 hosts, there are 100 Jesuses, and I can give myself only to 100. In the same way, in each act done in my will, the soul encloses me inside, and I remain sealed inside the will of the soul. So these acts done in my volition are eternal communions, the species not subject to being consumed as in the Sacramental Hosts. And as the species are consumed, my sacramental life ends, while in the hosts of my will there is neither flour nor any other matter. The food, the substance of these hosts of my will is my eternal will itself, united with the will of the soul, eternal with me, these two wills not subject to being consumed. Therefore, what is the wonder if the whole of my person will be seen multiplied for as many acts as she has done in my will? More so, since I have remained sealed in her, and she as many times in me. So the soul too will remain multiplied in me for as many acts as she has done in my will. These are the prodigies of my will, and this is enough for you to remove any doubt."
Thank you for being a part of our community here at Divine Will app. If you enjoy listening to Jesus' lessons on how to live in the divine will, please give this video a thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more souls yearning to live in the kingdom of the divine will. We'd love to hear your thoughts and reflections, so drop a comment below. Your insights not only enrich our community, but also inspire others on their spiritual journey. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By joining us, you're helping to spread the news of the kingdom of the divine will, so that together we can bring his kingdom to reign on earth as it is in heaven. In the divine will, always.